Hello guys, today I'll show you how can you design a invoice totally free within few minutes. So guys, make sure to watch this video until the end. You don't need much Photoshop skills and you don't need download any Photoshop software. I will show you easiest way, and this is called Canva. And if you don't know guys, the Canva, this is a Photoshop website and you can do editing in here and you don't need download this software. You can do it by online, and this is very easy to use. And I will show you today how can you design a invoice for your business, and very easy. Just go here and search in here invoice. After search the invoice, here you see lots of free templates actually appear, and you can also create your invoice from scratch. Here you see they will give you a free template and you can design it, but I will show you a free template how can you do it fast, easily, and you don't need to create from scratch. So here I have lots of free template. I will use one, and I think this is nice. And see, this is actually the invoice. Just zoom it, I mean zoom, not full screen, sorry, again 100% zoom. And see, this is the invoice. You keep it here. You can add a logo from your company. Just you can here add a logo if you want, and if you want change, here you see invoice number 5, you can change it like 10, and you can change date. If here have January 10 2015, you can put today date. The date is 29 2020. So like this you can edit everything. You can change this color as well. So this color is actually yellow color, then you can change it if you want blue, if you want green. So here you see everything is editable and you can put everything what you need. So this is very easy, and here you can put your company logo and you can add your address as well, and you can put tags and everything you can do it here. And you can create an invoice totally free. You don't have to pay. After editing everything, you can download it as a PDF or as a here you see they have lot of options. So PDF have PDF standard, GPG, PNG. So also you can download video format. So this is very easy guys. You can edit and create a invoice from canva.com. If you have any questions about the Canva and for invoice, you just comment below. I will try to give you best solutions, and I will make another video about the Canva invoice. So if you find guys anything helpful from my video, please like, comment, share and subscribe my channels, and thanks for watching.